I was mentally convinced that divorce was not an option. Like, that's the culture that I came from. Like, once you marry, like, that's it. You're married for life. When my friend stepped in and she's like, well, why? Like, she actually had to challenge me. Like, why don't you deserve to be happy? And just that simple question, simple yet powerful. Why do you think you do not deserve to be happy? And I had to sit with that question for a couple of hours to realize, like, oh, so you're telling me I can get a divorce. You're telling me that I actually can be happy. You're telling me that this reality that I have can be altered and can be changed. Things started to shift in my mind. It took a person, almost like another person, to put a mirror in front of you and say, hey, like, look at yourself. Like, you're a beautiful being. You have a purpose on this planet. Step into that. Like, fall in love with yourself. Sometimes you need to be away, like, time away from you. And I think the more you can do that when you're in depression, the better it is. And the sooner that your friends or your loved ones can come in and remind you of your purpose, the better it is for you.